Where my mark at? So basically, guys, I'm finna give y'all a scenario, right? Y'all might want to take notes, right? Y'all got to work with me. I'm holding the phone in one hand. I'm writing with another hand, so you might see some chicken scratch, all right? So I'm finna give y'all a scenario of basically what I just told y'all about getting started in a business. If you don't have a business, you're losing. You're in last place. Get started in a business. Take advantage of the tax deductions and business write-off. Create business income. File your taxes, right? Finna give y'all a scenario. Meet Marcus and Tim. Marcus and Tim, right? Marcus and Tim make about $40,000 a year. They make about $40,000 a year. That's a little bit above the average income in the U.S. $40,000 a year. Marcus and Tim. So right here, we're gonna use this scenario. Marcus and Tim, they make the same pay rate an hour. They work the same amount of hours. Everything is the same, right? We're just using this scenario for right now. Everything is the same, right? So this right here is supposed to be an example of a pay stub, right? You got the earnings, the rate, the hours, this period. Go pull out your paycheck stub, and it's going to look real similar to this, all right? So they make about $18.59 an hour. You know what I'm saying? They both working 80 hours. 80 hours every 2 weeks. They get paid bi-weekly every 2 weeks, right? That's $1,487.20. $1,487.20. You know what I'm saying? They got a little overtime in, time and a half, you know, about 4 hours in. That's $136, right? There's people out here like this. This is a real life scenario, y'all. So that's a gross pay of $1,623.28. Right? Some people think that's good money every 2 weeks. That's about $3,200 a month. Right? But check this out. On your pay stub, you got deductions, statutory. And that's exactly what it is. Statutory rate. Y'all getting raked in taxes. For real. Some of it you can do something about it. Some of it you can't. So federal income tax is taking $349.03 out of their check. Let's just say $350 out of their check, right? Social Security tax, $93.99. Say $94, right? Medicare tax, $24.65. Just say $25. And then you got another category, other. You got your health insurance. That's $210.42. You got dental. That's another $63.64. You got support order. It comes in different names, different forms. Support order. That's child support. That's your child support. They getting charged $300 every 2 weeks in child support. That's $600 a month. And then you got vision. $9.54. About $10. Vision, right? So you got all these things that are coming out of your paycheck every time you get paid, every 2 weeks. So all those things add up to be $1,051.30. So once you subtract this from your gross pay that you make every 2 weeks, that only leaves Marcus and Tim with $571.98. Oh, man. So you mean to tell me you work your behind off, you even work overtime to be going home with $571? I will be upset. I will be angry too. I will be mad too. Understand, y'all. Listen, if nobody else understands your frustration, I understand. I ain't even got no job. I ain't even on child support. But if I'm working my behind off 80 plus hours to bring home $571, I'll be upset too. And a lot of people don't even make $18 an hour. Man, but guess what? We gonna change that, y'all. We gonna do something about that. You hear me? Here at MyEcon, we teach these strategies, income shifting. We about to put this income shifting in your life. So I'm telling you right now, whoever invited you to this video, you need to call them. You need to thank them. You need to text them and say you appreciate them. Even if they tried to share it with you before and you brushed them off, I'm telling you right now, if you on this live video, you better be thanking them because I'm finna show y'all. I'm finna show you. This right here is Marcus and Tim's scenario, $40,000 a year, but they only seeing about a little under $1,200 a month. $1,200 a month. So the more overtime they work, the more they get, but the more they get taxed too. So let's go over here. So Marcus, man, he was getting sick and tired of his situation, man. And he been seeing these folks on Facebook talking about some MyEcon and income shifting and give yourself a pay raise and fix your credit score and all that. So he decided to reach out. He's like, hey, what is this income shifting stuff about? And we told him, man, we can help you get a pay raise on your job and fix your credit too. And Marcus said, how much? We like $34.95. It makes you a business owner. It puts you in the game. Marcus said, bet, I got that, man. I ain't got nothing to lose. I spent $34.95 on Jordans or I be in the club. Like, I know I can start a business for $34.95. So Marcus got started. Marcus got started, right? Tim, he had to think about it. He had to pray about it. He had to wait 3 weeks till he get paid again, but he ain't do nothing. That stuff ain't for him. That's one of them schemes. That's one of them pyramids. That's okay, though. That's okay. Cause Marcus got started, right? So Marcus got started. We showed him how to shift his income. He income shifted. We showed him how to adjust his W-4 as a business owner versus an employee. He was an employee over here, right? When he started the $34.95 business, he became a business owner, and we told him the income shifting strategy, right? So before, he was paying $350 in federal taxes. After he shifted his income, they're only charging him $23.54 in federal taxes. He didn't have to go sell nothing. He didn't have to recruit nobody. He didn't have to bother his family. He didn't have to bother his friends. He didn't have to do none of that. All he did was pay $34.95, shift his income, and he gave himself a $651 pay raise. He getting this every single month. From $35, y'all. His situation has already changed because that's an extra $7,812 a year. Marcus is happy. He winning. He's happy. He's excited because this $651, that raise is basically what he's getting back, paying his $300 child support. He was paying child support and he was paying Uncle Sam. He took his money back from Uncle Sam, right? And this still covered. Oh man. Oh man. Let's carry on. But Marcus is super excited. He now believe in these little pyramid and schemes and all that because he see the results, right? So he's super excited. So Marcus go out and share it with a couple of his homies, you know what I'm saying, that's in the same situation, that's on child support. He even shared it with his baby mama. You know what I'm saying? He shared it with his baby mama because she need a pay raise. She need her credit fixed. You know what I'm saying? He shared it with them, a few other people who shared it with a few other people. Now Marcus is making an extra $200 a month in business income. BI, that stands for business income. Marcus is making an extra $200 a month in business income. That's additional $2,400 a year. $2,400 a year. So you just helped Marcus bring in an additional $10,200 a year. This right here is called cash flow. You help Marcus cash flow $10,200 a year. It comes from the business income of $2,400 plus this pay raise, plus this additional money that he gave himself throughout the year. Right? So now when it's time to file taxes, It's nothing for Uncle Sam to take. It's nothing for Uncle Sam to take because he was only getting a refund anyway because he was overpaying on his taxes. So that's why he was getting a refund at the end of the year. But if he filed, Uncle Sam would take it. So he didn't file. So you've been getting your head cracked with taxes and you didn't even file your taxes. So we just help you get all that money back, $700, $800. Your refund wasn't gonna be that big, trust me. All right, so you just help him cash flow an extra $10,200 a year. So now Marcus is gonna get a 1099, form 1099 of $2,400 of the business income that he made. So let's just attach this $2,400 on top of his total income, which was $40,000. So let's just say $42,400. Now it's time for Marcus to file his income tax. His total income is $42,400. See, a lot of people say, well, said, if I ain't paying that much in federal taxes, won't I owe in? First of all, if you paying child support and you on back taxes, you're not even worried about a refund. You ain't even filing your taxes, so it ain't no owing in. But check this out. Won't I owe in? Of course you're going to owe in. $42,000, you didn't pay that much in taxes. So Marcus owe in $5,400. He's $5,400 in the red. $5,400 in the red, right? But listen, this one y'all want to say, man, thank God I'm a business owner. Thank God I had the mentality to pay that $34.95 to change my situation, because Marcus is now a business owner. If he was still an employee and he didn't pay that many taxes, right? He didn't have no business. Marcus will owe in $5,400 on his $42,000. But Marcus is a business owner, and Marcus is open up to business deductions. So throughout the year, Marcus had been keeping up with all his receipts. He been writing off his cell phone. He been writing off his travel. He been writing off when he go to the club and pop them bottles and turn up. He been writing off when he buy all them designer belts, all them Jordan shoes, because you got to look good for your business. He been writing all that stuff up and keeping up with his receipts with the cash flow manager. That's some software that we got in the back office that comes with the membership. So Marcus got $25,000 in business deductions. $25,000, right? So now what happens is they subtract this $25,000 from his total taxable income, which was $42,400. They subtract this $25,000 from there, and now Marcus AGI is $17,400. $17,400 from $42,400 just because he had a business, took advantage of the write-offs and deductions. He's able to lower his income to $17,400. AGI, that stands for adjusted gross income, you guys. And guess what? Now Uncle Sam ended up writing him a refund, giving him a refund of $2,800. $2,800, y'all. So they taking their own money and applying it to Marcus' child support debt. Isn't that lovely? So that's how you can make Uncle Sam pay your child support, by starting you a business, taking advantage of the business deductions and the write-off, creating you some business income, then filing your taxes. So $2,800 go towards Marcus' child support debt, and guess what? His baby mama get that $2,800. Keep in mind, Marcus ain't filed taxes in 3 years. His baby mama finna get this $2,800. Everybody happy. Marcus happy. He done got an extra $10,200. He done filed his taxes for the first time in 3 years. You know what I'm saying? His baby mama got the refund. She's super excited. She wasn't even expecting it. She's also creating some business income too. Everybody happy. Now she's letting Marcus see the baby again. Now she telling Marcus is a new man. I'm thinking about getting back with Marcus, and so we can start this happy family. You know what I'm saying? They super excited. Because that cash flow, money changes situation, man. I'm telling you, information changes lives. And this information y'all get, man, y'all finna change y'all life with this information I'm trying to tell y'all. So Marcus is winning, y'all. He's super excited. Well, let's go and see what happened to Tim, though. Let's see what happened to Tim, who's still on child support, who's still being overtaxed. What happened to Tim? Tim had too much pride, too much ego, right? He ain't believing that pyramid and that scheme stuff, right? So now what happened to Tim? Tim went out and bought a new Camaro SS, right? He bought an SS. He was already struggling. Right? Barely holding on. He went and bought a SS Camaro, which was $600. He put himself in debt. He put himself in a bad situation. So what Tim do? What Tim know to do? He went to the streets. He started selling pills. He started selling weed. He started selling dope. And he ended up getting jammed up. He ended up getting caught up. Now he behind bars. Now he locked up. He ain't even got no job no more. Tim locked up now. Now he calling his baby mama. Now he calling his family, running up their phone bill with collect calls. When all you had to do was pay $34.95 to join a business, shift your income as a business owner versus an employee, and you would have started winning just like Marcus. But you got too much pride, too much ego, and you end up making the wrong decision. So now when you get out of jail, right, you can't even get a decent job like this no more because you got a bad record. So what happens next? Tim is ready to rob, steal, kill, anything he got to do. And now his baby mama don't want to have nothing to do with him. But guess what, though? That's why I love MyEcon, right? That's why I love MyEcon, because here, you don't need no background check. We don't care how many felonies. We don't care what your record is. We don't care about that. All it takes is grind and determination, man, and we're going to help you win. We're going to help you win. You know what I'm saying? We're going to put you in the same situation as Marcus. We're going to help you win. I'm going to give y'all time to write that down. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to take notes, I'm going to hold it on the screen a little bit. Write that down. Take notes. Take notes. Y'all taking notes? Y'all taking notes? Hold on. Let me look at these comments. Y'all give me some hearts. Give me some thumbs. Give me some angry faces. Let me know y'all out there. Y'all like this information? Okay, Suge, I just sent you another invite. I seen you comment, said laugh out loud. I just sent you another invite. We need your own, Suge. Come to the table. I just sent you another invite, Suge. Just accept the invite. Just like earlier. But listen, y'all. Like I said, hold on, let me I'm gonna erase some of this stuff, y'all. Erase some of this so y'all can take notes. Write down the 4 things that you need. Suge, it said you declined it again. You must be pressing the wrong button or something. I'm gonna send it again. It's inviting, just accept it. Hold your phone sideways and accept it. All right, so while I'm waiting on Suge, y'all, I'm gonna write down the 4 steps, the 4 things that you're gonna need. Number 1, you're gonna need a business. You're gonna need a business. And that business we got for you guys is called MyEcon. MyEcon is only $34.95 to get started. That turns you into a business owner. Over here on your job, W-2, your W-2 worker stands for second class worker. Your tax, right? So once you join a business, you become a business owner for $34.95. Where else can you start a business for $34.95? That's cheaper than a cell phone bill. $34.95. Zero excuses. Zero excuses. $34.95, right? So number 2, once you become a business owner, it opens you up to tax deductions and write-offs. So you need to take advantage of the tax deductions and write-offs. Take advantage of it. Write-offs and tax deductions is like your cell phone, your food, your entertainment, your travel, your gas mileage. You can even turn your kids into employees of your home-based business and pay them up to $6,300, and that becomes a deduction to your total earned income. So take advantage of the write-offs. And then 3, you want to generate you some business income simply by sharing this information and helping other people that you know get a pay raise and increase their credit score for $34.95. You want to share this with a few friends. Who's going to share it with a few friends? Who's going to share it with a few friends? And it's going to continue to grow. So you building business income, right? MyEcon is that vehicle. We're not trying to get you to sell no lotions and potions and travel packages or none of that. We trying to put you in a situation that's going to help your situation. All right, and number 4, file your taxes. Listen, we got a whole lot of people that do taxes. We do taxes. We got a whole lot of professionals in the company, in MyEcon, that file taxes, that know what they doing. You know, it ain't about carrying nobody kids at the end of the year, you know, buying people kids and stuff. You ain't got to do all that. You know what I'm saying? You can carry this business. That's what you can carry. You can carry this business. So y'all write down these 4 steps. And if you're in MyEcon, I hope you've been paying attention, because I'm not going to be the one to explain this again and break it down to your prospects. You need to be able to explain it and break it down to them. So